Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the account you want to designate as the home Xbox. Sign into that profile now. Make sure the console is online so license information can sync. Once signed in, confirm that your subscriptions and purchased games appear under My Games and Apps. You should be the active user on the dashboard. If not, switch profiles. This step ensures the console can verify ownership so other users on this Xbox can access content later. Now navigate to Settings, then General, Personalization, and My Home Xbox. Select the option to make this console your home Xbox and confirm the choice when the system asks. This ties your digital licenses to this console so other profiles can play your games offline. Once done, the console will cache licenses. Make sure you don't exceed Microsoft's limit of 5 account switches in a year. If you see an error, retry after a short wait to let the server sync. Finish by testing. Sign out and let another user on the console try a purchased game or Xbox Game Pass title. If it runs, setup is complete. If access is blocked, sign back into the owner account and redo the My Home Xbox step, then restart the console to force a license refresh. If problems continue, check your network connection and Xbox Live status. Often a brief sync delay or outage is the culprit. Wait a few minutes and try the process again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.